Good morning, I'm Deneen Matsuda, and I'm so glad that you stopped to be with us this morning. I'm not at school, I'm in Bakersfield, California, and my students are with a very capable teacher today. We are here, wonderful Stanley and I are here for the California Mathematics Council. It's a math convention in Central California, and wait till I tell you who's here. Joe Bowler is here, Peter Liljadal, Pam Harris are all here, and they're going to be presenting to us, and we are beyond excited. And I think one of the things I'm really looking forward to learning about is number strings, which is kind of new to me. I kind of know what it is, but I really want to go deep and learn about that. So we will be looking forward to sharing what we learn with you next week and through the rest of the year. Have a great day.